he's captured. He's alive. Like,
Bro.
look at these niggas.
That's funny. That is actually funny. Robin, like, tennis being is actually fun. Yeah, so I was right. Yes, about Ace.
She fought Ace. She showed it.
Look at my nigga.
You thought Ace fought Ace. I don't know, bro.
They had a fight.
She's actually damaged.
Okay.
Wow.
Clubbing
They had a
him.
fight.
Nah, Ace was a different case.
And they became
bro.
friends just like
different
that, you
blood,
know,
different everything.
It makes you like.
They
This
even
adds
had
to, like,
fun.
the
Look
lore.
at that looker.
They must have had a draw or something. We
What
lost,
the
but,
hell?
like, no matter what.
Oh,
it's
so
like,
she
you
knows
figure
that
out
he's
Yamato's strength.
This is crazy.
Adds to
Is he gonna cry?
Ace's strength, you know. Because obviously there's all that deal with
Some-
him, like using conquerors and stuff like that, and Marineford and stuff.
Imagine.
I know, right? She wants to avenge
Can't
this.
leave.
So yeah.
Explosives, right?
Scared of Kaido, who's gonna track her down.
Also, if she wants to be like Odin, she wants to change
Change,
one.
like,
Leaving one wouldn't
change,
change
I mean.
anything.
What are those normal? No, these are normal handcuffs. They're not
Back
secret.
entrance, Onigashima.
I don't know if those are C-pins or
Actually, she got a
regular
different now.
cuffs, but
I don't know.
Marco was here too. He went.
Ah,
He left.
Ezo, man. Ezo's built.
You tell him someone her power.
But she also, I wonder what's gonna happen when she meets the retainers. She's gotta love them, like that's Odin's boys,
Like
like.
last
Girl,
week,
that's-
guys. Think about
That's
it.
Odin's squad.
That's good. That's a good team.
Time for them
Oh,
to
she
go.
can't leave that
Cause I
island.
forgot him long ago. Now
Where they
I
park
I'm
this
remember.
up?
not surprised about Marco. We never even seen.
What the hell? We need more people. What do you mean?
Fights.
We got our own problems.
yeah, bro, shout out to Rushanante.
They got different
bro.
fights, man.
What's Lord doing?
Dang.
But what is Law talking
For
about
that
though?
song.
Yes, sir.
What?
The best of luck.
Bro. I rewatched that
Okay.
flashback the other day. It made me
Lord,
cry
no,
again.
Thank you, Law.
He's saying that shit like he's never gonna see him again.
Look at her.
Oh, see,
I don't think you
Yeah,
guys
weird.
should smash into the battle yet.
Right.
Even though Law has dropped
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
I
Can I?
feel you guys should go around and
Oh,
cheer
yeah.
him.
Oh wow.
Before the war
Is it
starts.
cat, isn't it? He's right.
I mean, the
there.
words actually
That
started.
boy got the Beretta pack.
Mom was she? How?
Oh yeah, guys.
Don't pull out the strap.
I feel like
That boy got the holster on him. Come on now.
Phil
like,
Kaido with
you can
bullets.
fight a
Yeah,
little bit,
okay,
so
fill him
we
up
chill.
then.
Haki and the
Pause.
bullets.
That's
maybe
actually
anything.
Look
good.
at oh.
So many
With lead.
If one of these niggas die,
That's
I'm gonna be
fuck.
fucking upset.
He got a lot of stories
So
for
do
real.
I.
It looks so
There's like a
alike,
million
bro.
islands.
As usual, this light.
If any of these niggas die,
Everything.
I'ma be mad.
Kind of design of face, but just a little.
Yeah, they've either got to take down Kaido or Orochi.
Strong, but
I feel like Orochi. Orochi is the cause of the problem. You know?
Time.
Yes, sir.
I don't even think Luffy could be a lead. Like, I feel like
They should defeat him.
Talk to
That
these
should be
niggas.
that goal.
heavy hitters.
Yes.
Let's wager those lives
Let's
tonight.
see.
Tonight.
But wait, was it tonight or together? Either way,
Badass
inspirational.
shit, guys.
Now I wonder how long
These are
tonight's
all the
gonna last,
same
episode
members.
wise.
Oh wow.
A long time, I bet.
What the fuck?
Oh,
Dress
okay.
bros for
Someone
faces.
found them.
What?
When you
Who's
be standing
that?
They're
there for
coming.
too long, You should just got in.
There's no way they knew y'all was there in the first place.
That was a nice
What the
one.
hell?
Mad energy.
Whoa.
Somebody else, right?
That.
What is it, the gifters?
No, just get
They're
rid
already
of them.
fighting from here?
Yeah, bro. We
Yeah, of
can't
course,
waste
the
no
father's
time
gotta
with
come
these
first.
Father.
Oh my
He has no
God.
head.
It's a headless horseman.
Headless horseman.
Two headless
Easy
horsemen.
takedown. Easy takedown. Come
Wait,
on.
what the hell?
Okay.
Like the puppets.
Damn.
Easy.
They're like ghosts?
Red and blue.
There's
They're
nobody
puppets, right?
I'll say
inside.
light blue and green.
What?
My bad.
Hey, what is this?
Light blue. and- Boo! They took them easy.
Okay, I'm.
Huh?
They're what?
What the
The
hell?
art. It's art.
Oh shit.
this
Oh, it's
dude.
Kanjuro.
They know.
He drew
He
them.
knows exactly where they are.
That means he has been expecting them here. Yeah.
You really want to
Probably.
fight all of these?
Conjure
He has been expecting
Fight
them.
my man.
You
You can't handle these.
I can't take
Go
on
on your
right.
own.
all these abilities now.
Well,
The scary
Why
part
would
is
he
that
make
he drew them
headless
with no
horsemen?
heads. That was
Even
so.
got Izzo here.
Like
as
that
well.
specifically.
That does not make
And there's no way
get it. They look
these
good.
seven samurai isn't about to kick his
Oh,
ass.
they should come.
Obviously.
Probably
Y'all better not
trying to
1v1.
That
you
should be
know.
their first fight.
Y'all better not have no
He has
honor.
the
Y'all better
quality.
just slice the dude
Just
up
keep it
and
down.
keep
And just
it
invite
pushing.
people.
He can't face all of
See,
them.
he has the
Careful
plan.
the fuck line.
Beyond
Okay.
that.
This is crazy, yo. This is
And
gonna
I
be a
saw
good
someone
fight.
else
This
as
is
well.
The man himself.
Put the
this is
work
like a
in.
sentimental fight. Like
Oh, the smiley fruit, man.
This ain't nothing but grunts and goons.
this guy's a fucking
weird.
dragonfly.
That mosquito one kind of cool.
Oh, never mind. There's a big nigga behind him.
Fly
What's your
wings.
last chance?
I will the devil for stealing,
Yeah,
right?
I
this
thought
is
they
gonna
knew
be a
that.
good fight. I can already tell.
But there are more though. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This
He ain't
sucks.
scared,
I'm not
is he?
gonna lie.
So he
He's
got
got
I think there are about
strong
7 or 6 that wanna fight. That's what
he's
these
not
plenty
lying.
people. Not just plenty, but they're strong.
They live together, they
Hell,
slept
man.
together, they
You know
battled
what?
together. This is how you
Nigga
You
said
are a
like
rat.
rats. You're a
You literally
literal
are a
Side
rat.
here.
rat
Kind of
mouse.
a rat, like rats. You are a rat.
Oh
A
yeah,
fat
he
rat.
doesn't know.
That's not
He's
the
always
question supposed to be
knows
asking
well,
him because
too.
he already did.
He's a mouse probably,
You
but
kinda-
still.
That'd be
Same
It's
shit.
too late, nigga. We already
Definitely
infiltrated.
to him for now, I guess.
That's what I'm saying, nigga. Is are here. You sure you really want that?
Prick.
Oh my
Some
God.
don't have heads too, so he drew them.
He's never seen his good drawings.
They look like you guys.
I gotta give it to
I'm
Kanjo,
regretting why I
A-class
couldn't
actor.
save this
Wow.
dude. So bad.
Damn.
Talking.
This guy should be
The
pulling
ish
out
talking is starting
out
He
early,
should be
bro.
pulling out Oscars,
What
bro.
a
What
great
actor.
actor.
Yeah, he said he wanted to be a performer.
Momonosuke
So that
sama.
boy's about to be
They're trying
executed.
to, oh, they're trying to copy
It's in
Monosuke
Kaido's
too.
hands.
Kiku in that shot.
Momo down bad, bro. They want to execute that boy.
Yeah, that man might
Can't
be
even ask him
murked.
a
Oh yeah, they don't
question
know yet,
even,
do they?
Talking about Momo, man, to Kanjuro.
Oh,
Kanjuro being ass here right now.
that boy was trying his best. He just kept getting his ass kicked.
Oh, is that how we beat him up?
How did he
Okay.
try
Right,
to-
this is what happened before here.
You can tell from what happened to his face.
How the hell did he get
That's
so
been mad,
big
bro.
Tried to
up?
shift.
He had a knife.
That nigga had a sword. This
He
whole
had
boom.
the shank from
Nah, he made it sound, bro.
heavy ass sandals.
Kidding.
I feel like I just
Yeah,
threw the knife back like
That
that.
boy was getting out of there.
This guy
I mean, yeah,
is also
he's
Stop
skilled.
him, though. Fuck it.
That boy was getting out of there.
Stab him.
Stab him.
Oh,
Come on.
Okay, come on.
In his hands.
slice that
He
nigga.
did
I should
so.
have done that in the first place.
He
Stab him right in the
actually
back.
That was
but-
It wasn't his
bro.
hand.
Oh,
Right, keep it
He
moving.
makes such a
We got time for this.
Kanjuro,
Wow.
man.
Wasn't good
That
enough.
boy got stunned. And I guess he got his ass beat after that.
Crap, but
Bro.
oh god,
his hand.
there's consequences, Momo.
Mostly the light is
Bro,
not
no
showing.
one knows, you can't be scared after doing some real
That'll
nigga
be-
shit.
That's satisfying right there, but at the same time,
No wonder
Why
he
his
picked
footsteps
him
get
up
so
to
heavy?
look like
Yo,
that.
Momo's
they
about to
got
get
beat
shot.
up,
Oh
man.
my. Oh my.
Oh!
Oh.
Yeah, he's just like
No way he did
Damn!
that.
Damn!
God.
Damn!
beat him up, man. Sad days.
That is
He just
sad.
gave him a
At
cut.
the same time,
On his hand, but like
Damn! Damn!
he's punching him
Damn!
like
Damn!
15 times, bro.
Beating up on a kid, bro.
Shit.
8-year-old
The
kid.
saddest thing is, right, is
That's
Mr.
man,
Golden
Momo.
knew
That
there
boy was
was a
getting
spy
soft
at
up.
Camp Kaido
Nah,
told him.
you are not gonna knock him out.
you're an ass, Kanjuro.
He would still
you're gonna
point
get
himself
down,
like,
man.
not
You're
someone
gonna get
him up,
beat
like,
up
someone,
just
you know
like
that.
what
One of
happened.
them was a spy,
Yes,
but it
don't
didn't matter.
make
He
it
would still hold him out. You
actually
welcome him
really
with open
not
arms. Like, look how you treat his son. Like, fucked.
Once you're
He's trying to say he
Don't get
doesn't
the
have
Lord
that's
time.
the
Lord.
thing,
He
He is
though.
a
So
child.
now we're seeing him as
How
a
do you feel
terrible,
no
terrible
remorse?
person.
Yeah,
that
but
whole
that's how your predators
squad
are fault,
got
so, you know,
slaughtered,
but, you know, it's whatever, bro.
Only a taste.
Thinking is
But two
smart.
wrongs don't make it right, though. He's innocent. He's a child.
Exactly.
For
This is
God's
what happened
sakes.
what's happening right now. Momonosuke,
Well,
pop this
this sounds
vision. What the
serious.
hell,
It's crazy
man?
when people are
It's not everything.
Y'all gotta hurry up, bruh. Man got a cat Beretta.
There's blood now. There is no.
You notice my nigga in the back ain't sweating it. He ready to go.
Turn that man.
Oh,
He's gonna say they want to kill him.
I was actually playing some Valorant for a little bit.
That's impossible.
should not
He's
forget
saying
about the
like
fact
it's
that
simple. You know
Does he
these
know
guys
the-
ability.
no,
not
he
just
doesn't.
about ending Kaido's life.
My guy
I
in
don't
there.
know. He probably found the right people for this.
He actually doesn't know their
But
plan.
best believe these
go.
guys.
Yes, sir.
Oh, he's not on that
All
side.
time.
These people
Let's
are
go.
here. Luffy,
Yeah,
Kid,
exactly.
they're all
20 years
separate,
of waiting.
which makes
Well, not
sense.
all
It's
of
good
them.
that they're separate, not together.
Teleported, so.
Bro, I want to hear
Time
this.
travel.
This like in
Not
the
going to
orchestra,
stop
bro.
here.
Well, I'm not going to
The
stop you.
spirit.
Like live.
Like they're either gonna do it or die.
Slice you up
Clean
and
animation
carry
on the
on.
spy as well.
Kill you and keep it
I
pushing.
can hear the sound, bro.
Man's giving the
Fuck
30
you
up.
up and keep
Look
it
at that point
moving.
of view right then.
They gotta have it. They can't have it their way, bro.
For your revenge,
This is the
thirsty
pre-fight
Yakuzaya.
post fight.
Right. So this is the fight between the
He don't
Akazaya
deserve to
members
lose
and
poses anymore.
Kanjuro.
I feel like they're not even gonna show his shit though.
Bro,
We're gonna go somewhere
The
else. I
ol-
already know it. You
This
know
nigga
it as well.
is literally
We're
the
going to
only
this episode right there.
non-small fry. Kanjuro is the only nigga that's not a small fry.
Two.
But we're
All
looking
these
for-
other niggas are easy pickings.
Come on, you should be.
Y'all are elite
Yeah.
samurai
Still like
against
that.
Take a
goons.
picture.
If they're going still weird to
You
you,
gotta
shit.
swiftly
Just
get
kidding.
these niggas out the way.
Oh my god, that was so funny.
Swiftly and in a
We're
hurry.
gonna see them
We
probably
ain't seen
in
shit.
You don't have time for these small
Don't know if it
fries.
suits him though.
Fuck them up and keep it pushing.
Best character right there.
Question
That's
is,
the goat
what
right there.
is Sanji?
Where we left off.
And
Yeah,
Brooke.
we've seen last episode.
And what's
Oh,
the
no,
name?
no, no.
We're
Frankie.
seeing it. We're seeing it.
nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go
They're
then.
gonna jump around.
We're gonna get
Let's see,
some
ladies and
cheese.
gentlemen.
Oh, this is good.
Let's go.
Right.
Got
I'm
him.
like Cat Viper
Fight
King.
starts.
Come on,
Slice
as
up
easy
those
as that.
slice
It
up
should
some
be
french
that
fries.
Easy, easy.
Oh,
Oh my
boom,
god, that
boom,
is good.
Okay.
Gone.
That's so good.
Okay, that
I
was
said
light.
this though. You
Righty.
can't handle these lot.
Raizu as well.
Like, it should be this easy.
Look at them,
Right,
look at
that's
them.
good.
Twin Berettas,
Headshots.
headshots, nothing but.
When Diesel pulls up headshots only.
For you aerial niggas, we got something for y'all.
No man should be left.
Go to hell.
Like that.
Cat versus mouse around here.
Season, dog.
Oh, dog's there.
Oh, that boy got a sword for a leg. Come on now.
Get carved up.
Sword.
Look at this nigga.
This one.
Two sword style.
He's actually easy, but
on,
not
yeah.
Diesel's really a bad breed to a real savage.
Right.
Like, pulled up.
And like I said,
Kimbo, guns
he
blazing.
is the
headshots.
only
Oh,
big
that was
fish
hard.
around
That
here.
was
There
so
was nothing
cold.
but small fries around him.
You know, a person like that rolling with Whitebeard,
Yeah, it was
they
Kiko,
gotta be a savage.
Come on.
and
Talk to this
Kanjuro
nigga.
that started,
Oh, for
right?
God's sakes. Come on, keep
Yeah, of course, we need to
Talk
there
to
was a
him.
question in him, but you don't
At this point, Kanjuro, we heard enough.
Oh,
What does she want to ask?
Okay.
Time to just annihilate him.
Okay.
She's still seasoned, Maz.
Yeah, you could have some hats, right?
You not feel anything, no remorse.
She got a slow
that.
Did it really mean
She
nothing?
has to give him though.
Come on, there's no time.
Was it
for
really
emotions,
all
just
alive?
come on.
Crying and
Kanjuro is
shit.
drawing the line
I
here.
don't think
I
so.
don't feel
not
like
even a
she's
smidge,
correct.
my
Bro,
nigga.
you
All them years,
Question, like,
No matter how you
and
do
then
it,
it really meant
Yeah,
nothing.
you say that,
Let me
yeah,
know.
Kanjuro is gonna be like
and they
that.
make you laugh and
Let me
everything,
know.
See,
Man.
you
Kanjuro-
enjoyed with them and you still
Shut
betray
up.
them and say they're
Yeah.
bad.
You gotta be done, bro. He's like, I'm so happy
no,
my
no.
acting
Oh,
skills
my
are so
acting.
good.
Yeah, I've been seeing you guys long gone, bro.
Ain't no way.
You hate to hear it, bro.
After the show. I don't know, like that's what I'm saying. Like he betrayed you like
If one
that, bro.
Played it
showed
to
me
a T, bro.
anything,
He
it
played
showed
it
me that
incredibly.
You're damn right though.
There's always a chance for redemption.
But what do you achieve?
Exactly.
Oh,
This is
wow.
it. Emotionally numb.
Wait,
since
did
he
he
was
say
a child after what happened. That's why he turned into like this.
This man Kanjuro got
I think they might have said that.
bro.
It was small when you guys were out, even though I was having fun.
Crusted the crown
Yeah,
looking
like,
ass.
that's
Damn.
like-
Freaking
that's
Zo
like
arc,
dangerous stuff.
the dress Rosa arc. I love the moment when he pushed the birdcage back with Zoro.
You could smile where they're
Freaking-
smiling, but it's not happy.
That's why you could cry,
Dog,
right?
Kanjuro
he
here.
really
Yeah.
did that.
Dang, bro.
Oh, the noodles.
And I could cry even though I wasn't sad.
that's-
Fuck!
You gotta give it to
Nigga's
him.
terrible.
About the acting, man. But the thing is, he is an actor.
This guy's a
though.
liar,
That's
bro.
disgusting, bro.
Damn.
Kill
I
him.
wonder why I'm
You're
closing my eyes
just
so much.
seeking the EI
This
style.
is ring light is
Kill him,
killing me.
Kiku.
That's so garbage. Issa, where
Come
you
on.
at,
I don't know
bro?
why it's-
I
Like,
feel
I'm
like
not
you should
crying.
end him
I
with
don't feel like my acting was worth
Crying
no
on
facts.
my
See,
body
he's
right
not
now.
lying though.
I don't know.
Damn.
Bro.
You know, like I said, I'll say what I
Come
said.
on,
That's
Fulfilled my role.
all I got.
Yeah, exactly. The more emotion she feels, the more like.
He's trying to say he doesn't have feelings or what? Like,
Imagine she
seriously,
just
end
slit
it.
his throat as soon
Put him to rest.
Hell, man.
while he was laughing.
This is
I would have
Kanjuro,
been satisfied. I would have been okay.
This is the
I
real
thought she was
Kanjuro we're
better
talking
than
about.
this.
There's no going back here,
This
man.
music.
Oh, really?
She's gonna put him
This
to
is
rest.
the end of Kanjuro, man. We're looking forward to.
She's gonna do that.
We might be able to see Kiku's true power here. I
This
don't
is some
know.
mysterious
Oh.
music.
Come on.
Caesar speaking.
Oh, she turned that shit off.
Maniac
Why did he come back?
Yeah, back up, nigga.
Actually backed up. You about to put the mask on?
Oh, she got that.
Mmm,
She got the gear on.
That shit is so badass, bro.
mmm. Talk to
Better
this
respect
nigga.
on him being dead.
Yeah,
Best
Kanjuro.
design out of all that freaking
Yeah.
First up,
Yeah, she's
Chico.
putting respect on him
I
being
mean,
dead.
Kanjuro,
This
the Kiko's
wool
gonna
from
come.
the sun will follow you to your
This fight is gonna
grave.
be
Yeah, okay.
Oh my goodness.
Falling snow.
This wool will not stop hurting.
The Oni is
This wool will not go away after you die.
Let's go.
Come on,
Beyond the grave, you're gonna feel this shit. It is I who's gonna torture you.
Oh my
Ooh,
god!
he put some hockey on it.
Nigga, them like this cards. Wait a minute, this ain't hockey.
Kanjiro held him
This is
up.
clashing.
I mean, they got to
Oh, here we go.
Started everything that from that side. We're gonna continue from that later on. Right.
Bruh.
So,
I don't know what's wrong with Nami, bro.
Really?
Shit, nigga, if he catch you,
They take us out of that fight.
Even Zeus,
Oh.
bro.
The lightning team, I couldn't fight for it.
Hey!
God.
Oh,
They
he's
got the big homie graham
you're
cracker.
leaving this kind of a freaking. Yeah, so what the hell,
She
man?
threatened the team, but she couldn't fight for it. Like,
What happened?
she's not serious, bro.
Didn't Lola take
Yeah,
that?
the
Like traditional stuff.
I forgot about Yokai. Y'all remember Yokai Watch?
Okay, Shinobu.
That shit was like Pokemon, but not.
Nigga!
Oh, oh my gosh, no.
For no reason. Thunder
She even
Party.
shocked the woman too, or
Her
no?
as well. Okay, you know.
I'm surprised she was
I'm
unaffected.
glad Shinobu didn't get. What?
Oh!
No.
Yeah, in
Ah.
big troubles, the
Shinobu, do
hell?
your Nimpo. Do the freaking ground thing.
No, you can't do that.
Who's gonna
Not
rescue
you three, anyway.
Fuck that talk.
I don't see
Man.
no
Not you
Sano.
three.
Oh, wow.
This is
Ah!
happening, man.
She's gonna have to run.
Carrot.
Wait, what is Sanji doing
She
actually?
actually left.
Okay.
So that team really likes
Yeah,
Nami
Zeus, pull up.
too.
Oh!
Big Mom?
Damn.
Who the fuck's that?
That is the
Oh!
man of
Yeah.
something
Big
in
Mom.
there.
I feel like that's
Oh,
not her.
that's.
Oh,
Is that
damn.
King?
How is Nami and the others gonna get? Okay.
Zeus is dead, dog.
Right.
That wasn't
now
Big
we're
Mom.
back to the-
Can she
That
take
wasn't
her soul
mad.
Okay.
back?
Oh, yes.
Who the fuck was that?
This is
Katakuri or
wild.
something? Who was that?
Would let me onboard your ship.
Really?
Let me aboard.
Imagine.
Oh, hold
I
on,
know,
hold on a
right?
sec. Oh, damn.
Can't
Ask
just
to
be
join the
him.
crew.
He's not wrong.
Oh, she's a hot-headed one too.
That's true.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
What do you mean I'm more older than
you?
Hmm?
It would make sense for her.
Yep,
to see
I
the
could see
world,
that too.
and see the
Okay, yeah,
world.
back to
Cuffs.
the cuffs. What's going on?
Cuffs.
The cups, alright.
Those are Sea Prism cuff, right?
Oh, we've seen exploding cuffs before.
Are those cuffs like the ones
yeah,
that
we
Luffy
have.
had?
If the
Tammy,
cost is
right?
not there,
Eight.
she will
Damn.
unleash
Damn.
everything.
Freaking
I
Ace's
was telling you
division,
since he
bro.
was 8.
Explode. Okay.
Oh my
What?
god, Gate explode.
Oh, the same ones Luffy had, right?
But you don't want to take that chance.
She's scared, isn't it?
Oh, blah blah. So, I mean,
We're
I would
talking
trust
about
Kaido.
Kaido.
man.
Seriously?
Wait, those are explosive cuffs?
Dang.
Oh, those are Sea Prism cuffs.
Damn.
Yeah, Luffy could take them
Yeah,
off.
Luffy can do it already.
Because he can, nigga. Cause he can.
Hacky, right?
You know why?
Go.
Cause Luffy's that
I'll
nigga.
be kicking Kaido's ass right in front of you.
I don't think she would mind it. Oh, she can do it myself. Oh, hop on in then.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Alrighty,
she's still
alrighty.
them off you.
You gotta be tough though, sparring Kaido a lot. You know what I mean?
Have to take them off.
That don't mean nothing to
It's
Luffy.
easy task, bro.
It's that easy.
It's kind of that easy.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, they can hear.
Huh?
Oh, wait.
You're
2
talking
years.
about
That's
white
Kaido's
right
voice.
now?
Hacky.
Why they talking about
Three
Whitebeard?
that were hacky.
And you're down there. I'm like,
They're right
Are they gonna look
there.
for the crack?
Go.
Oh, okay, he's
Might be. Why did you
See,
mention
Momo.
like they're up,
Well, it's
but
funny stuff.
Kaido's
Right.
down. Like, down.
Okay, news got temporary.
Don't joke with me.
I ain't never realized how small Kaido's head was. compared to
Kaido
his
is like
body.
down
because
there.
they
You can
Buggy.
easily just go down there, bro, without any difficulties.
They did do
Damn.
that.
Under control.
Just
the new AVH is
landing me
reinforced.
hot punch on
Nigga.
you. See what I'm saying?
Look at these.
They're probably gonna break
Oh,
it.
they're
If they
gonna
break
fall.
through,
I just
They're
knew
wooden
that,
planks.
bro.
They're gonna fall.
They're like,
Kaido been up to
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
Right? What was it called?
Look like the
Look
most
like the
The
No,
most
no, it's
powerful
a big
forces.
mama.
of-
World.
The ancient.
Weapons.
Ain't no way.
Ancient
Fuck
weapon.
with
That's
my
what they were
There's
going
no
for.
way you have the
Weapon.
ancient weapons. Not the fat ass ship. Because we know it's a fat ass ship.
The ancient weapon, Pluton.
that's
know
a
it's
phone.
crazy.
Or what?
But
I mean, did they
come
mention what
on,
they were gonna
bro.
replace Seven Warlords with?
God
Guys,
dang
comment
it.
below.
Oh!
Was it Big Mom that grabbed Luke?
I guess that one right, but he had to form my alliance.
We know this isn't.
Oh,
Oh!
my god!
Wait, that's not.
Oh, she's
okay.
finally
Must be
making
making
She
an
it.
entrance.
came out!
What an
That wasn't hands of a
I like that
She
very
made a
much.
live appearance in this
I'm telling you
bitch!
now, that wasn't hands from a woman.
This too, she got
Oh, that's
messed
Big
up
Mama.
on
What the hell?
Pokemon.
But
Well, that's a big entrance.
Oh
Scary.
shit.
She pulled up!
The baddest in One Piece.
Bounty
Oh, it
4
was Big
billion.
Mama. So hard.
4 billion!
I fucking hate it.
She pulled up in this
oh, look
bitch.
at Oiran. What the
Dangerous.
fuck was that?
This
Hey.
is dangerous.